Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka General Secretary ka All India Mahila Congress ka Linkim Haokip haka arpoi tarik ukula lingkot arajar arpuhendrio haba ajinkran syakilat patai kubor ha Congress Bhawan kalau keno baka sorkar umudi kalau Pyntlot bor ya ka Jinglaitluid jengki Kynthei haka liang ka yok kokot dak ba keno ahlor ki polisi bakongsan kamtam ka Jingpynkylla no ya ka Mgnrega kila tak jur ya ki Kynthei haba ajinkran ka Haokip kalau ong bakat ba ke BJP ke keren Shphang ban penkup bor ki Kynthei ling baki campaign kum ke beti bacau ke jingki udor jengki marbam ke jingbom dan kam dan jam ke jingpendu ya ke skim jingerap bar ke jingpenslam ya ke bainong hapo ke Mgnrega kilong ke ba om ya hab bar ke jingtmu jongka kalau banjur ba ke Mgnrega ke dekaan ke bedai om na ke benta ke jimentai ke sorkar bat kalau keno ba ke jingbom biang ke mang tingka ke jingpenslam ban siu ke bainong bat ke jing kaliang ke jingpenya kilo Pyntlot ya ke skim haba kedo baki Kynthei kilong ki babun na kinong trei ka Mgnrega kalau ong baka Jingpynkylla ya ke skim kalau penjur ke jing aku yo kokot ke penjur ke jing patch nong ki brio bat ke jing ketram hap deng ki Kynthei nong kendong bat ki riulum kentup ha Meghalaya ka Haokip kalau ong baka Mahila Congress kandawa ban siu ke Bible ke por ke babiang ke jing bei tingka ke babiang bat ban persya ya ke nu ke Jingpynkylla ya ke Mgnrega kat ba kadang penklan ya ke jing ki pat ba
suk bakmen ni pi baro di kumba pila ila mai pangi gen secretary jongka AIMC ba yakanika press conference ni yakren pangka Mgnrega bachau sangram di kanika Mgnrega asdang nadu atpos nem menchua da u Dr. Manmohan Singh ka government jong u but kanika Mgnrega ka dei ba dei ba ki briuk ki dei ban yo hok ban trei ka hok ban trei kamtam se kinong kendong di habangi pej menta baka neka sorkar BJP pada ka kwa ban Pyntlot ya ka neka Mgnrega syakatuka viskit G kata ki penbid ikibre ki ong in increase 125 days kaneka day 100 days ki ong ban increase 125 days tangba kim ong pade kim pensyai kibre bakan ya hakanu ka dur pe ka Congress por bakawan rai kene ke Mgnrega you know ka longyeng ka don hok ban yo kikam haki block kikam haki sinong kitau te kane ka Mgnrega ru kalong ka don salon sarha barok kuwei ka ri India baraki rural areas cuma chanong kundong handai mentapat kane baka kane ka viskit G kalong ba pimdon hok shu jangan ikam ban pan kam mo te katba decide umodi hable kumta te lada ka government jong umodi ka ong ba hakane ka village neki rural areas kandon kata ka Mgnrega bawa kan ka viskit ni kan ka spasni kan trikam kata timut kinjet deh umde bikin asalansar haman laki sinong kitau te kalong kata ka di ka jingya per mo te so ka baar pade kalong ba ka hok jungpi ban trei ka hok ban trei asak keni no te menchua ki ai pidon ka hok ban trei hande menta pimdon chu pimla ban pan ya kata jingsha pi Lada neka umdon kam ula bandai ki snong ki tau shaki rangpa snong ban pam kam. Lada bam ai hapok katsan sngi kila ban pa ne kata kapisah. Idon hok ban yok kapisah ne mentah kam be cukum ta. Mentah pim don hok syu ban pa ne kakam ke jam lani kini syu rangpa snong baun ai pi kata kakam ke jam. Kaba lai ru mentah ki om kini no bandon kata ka hok no orang pak snong ban ai kita kikam kijam syaki pait ba mentah ki ong ban ai no ban sublet no ban ai no contractors tu contractor do yo kata ka kam ban penyat ya kene ka spa sngi tu un pentrai ki kam la jong te haba ka snong ka ai ka spa sngi ki penyat ki pentrai ya ki kam surok ki pentrai ki kat baki don kam ka snong ka thau ke ki ba sngo ba ka de ban trai handai de de ba pentrai menta da kane ka batmai ka at ka batmai ka biscuit jiram ji ka batmai kin I know she contractors but contractor on the side mau ya no un ai ka kam kumnok un pentrai kita kikam kata ka de ka iyo tingas ngo hang ne ba ki kamta me ki long kme kan kata shibun ba ki long kme jungi ki yo kam yo jam spok ki nong kendong ka de kan ki spasi kala ya rab ha spas ni sha kala ya rab ha ki nong kendong kamta me ki long kme dakane ki la ban penik skul ki kon dakane ki penyai ya kayin kasem handai da ki la syak kene no ya kata ka hok tengah tarai kilong kemeru kin jingjar mo ban penyai kayin kasem ban penik skul iki kon kamtam mentang ngendapek kaka jelajeng ibun la naki long yeng ba kepenyai ba kadai ka single mother jengmut kahap ka long keme ka penyai ka pen shong skul ka pen late skul ka penyai kayin kasem marwai te ke ka bayarap ha habang ipet mangi kum kilong keme ngapet ba kaspasi ka dayarap shisha iki te de kane ba mangi kum ki congress workers ni persyajur ba kim kane ka sarkar BJP kam de man pen kelai kane Mgnrega kata ka viskit ji ramji ni kwa bakan bu baik kum ka julong menchwa bagi beri jungi ki nyok ban nik tray ban nik ta bagi dala ban yo kam ka jam kum ba julong kam de ki ban ai ni ki rule ka at ka batmai ba mentah
highlighted by my president in the state language. So today we have seen and we have heard everywhere how the Modi government is attacking the states. Now, Mgnrega has been for many years, but the Modi government is on the side to they are changing the names, and I can also say that one thing is the Modi government is expert on changing the names of everything. Like what the Modi government says is Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. But I can also say that what is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao? Has it been happening? All over the states, all over even in the mainland, everywhere in the northeast, there has been torture of our women everywhere. So when you say Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, why are you torturing the women? So in papers, in everything, whenever there is a truth, it doesn't come out. The national papers or anywhere, when the Congress is talking about the truth, it doesn't come out. But whenever anybody in the the BJP government, when they do something, it's all flash up everywhere. I myself belong to the Northeast, and I know how my sisters and how I know where in every state how our women's, our children's are suffering. And today, in every state in the Northeast, not only in the Northeast, even in the Central, we are all facing hundreds and thousands of problems, but it's not getting solved. And the Mahila Congress will take this Mgnrega Bachao Sangram from the state, from the district to the block and to the booth. We will take down this in the street, in the parliament. Mahila Congress will stand with the Mgnrega workers and will all stand for all the women of the Meghalaya people. We all belongs, we are all from the same states, and I could see there are lots of problems which the women are facing. Like when we talk about their Modi, and when we talk about the BJP circle, I can see, look at the price hike. Look at I think the women will know what is the price of LPG. I think we are the one who are suffering. Look at the price of the cooking oil. And just before any election, they will try to lower the price of LPG. So we've been fighting and we will continue to fight on this. And we will lead a peaceful democratic protest, conduct awareness campaign in the district, in the block. And Mahila Congress will fight for all the women all over India. And empowering is not only slogan like Beti Bachao. It should be in reality. And when I look at the women who suffer at home, because when I ask any man today, anybody, they will not know what's the price of LPG. And if I ask the women who are sitting with me, they will know the price of LPG, they will know the price of cooking oil. So I feel that we women are the one who are suffering. And on the Mgnrega and whatever been, like our leader Rahul Gandhi and Khageji has written on Mgnrega, and which will be highlighted by my state president, Madam Joplin, in your own right.